Okay, a few weeks ago I put out a video using RUMLogNG, and I've been using the network feature on here. Let me show you. It's actually well, I jumped back over because it's reading that. And let me go back to the window into the network, and I've been using this feature auto. I've got it turned on right now, and let me slide over here. One thing I want to make sure that I do not have checked in here is the auto log. Let's go to preferences and then over to reporting, and we want prompt to log QSO enabled right there. That's what we want. Prompt me to log QSO, because this will log it automatically, and which is pretty neat, and I like it. This is JTDX, and I've got a link on my website, k0pir.us. I'm at my home QTH, operating off of a true ladder line antenna about 45 feet.
Transmitting.
And see, it starts off. If I'm not near the computer, it will go ahead and start the transmission for me, which is great. And it notifies me when it's starting, so if I'm out in my living room, I can hear it. I can come in here and take a look. So this is a real neat feature that I've been using. And another one is this little app. It's a QSO uploader, and the QSO uploader is available on the Apple Store website, and I went ahead and purchased it. I don't remember how much it was, but it's a real good deal. I'll show you this little logger, and it uploads everything for me: hrdlog.net, hamqth.com, clublog.org, eqsl, qrz, and it's just a nice little app. So it's well worth it, and it starts up when I start RUMLog. So I'm not reaching Denmark today. Poor propagation. It's early in the afternoon, so maybe later this evening. If you have any questions or comments, please make them below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. 73 and good DX.